technique tutorials, wrist strikes. There are some wrist strikes that we just can't do against the Makiwara board, like if we're doing a wrist strike upwards. So we're going to focus on this one, where we go forwards, and I have my thumb in contact with my ring finger here, and I'm hitting with the wrist bone right there. And it stings, but it stings no more than if I were to hit my hand. People might worry about hitting with that wrist. You're going to be fine. It's just like hitting with the elbow or the knee. So we can hit like that with the wrist bone. And then the way I like to teach it, if we're doing from the side, I like to do wrist out, palm strike in. So I go wrist out, palm strike in. We can hit super hard with the heel of the hand without injuring ourselves. And we can even hit face bones and not worry about injuring ourselves like we can with knuckle strikes. Knuckle strikes, you're likely to break something, hitting someone in the head, but with a palm strike, you can do a lot of damage. So I like to go out, back, out, back, out, back, out, back. So yeah, it works on both sides. And I stay inside the shoulder, and I go to my center line. Inside the shoulder or right at to the center line.